This is definitely not your typical cafe and bar. In fact, we like to think of the space as kind of an experience.
You walk in the door and do not expect to see the same old, same old. Every time you turn your head, it's my job to make sure you see something different. A lot of people walk in here and they go, is this guy still alive? This is a 40-year retrospective of my work. When you walk into the main gallery, the first thing you're going to see is a series of paintings called the Turtle Series. It's very biographical. Every painting in that series reflects something that was happening to me. People get a little overwhelmed at the amount of stuff they get to see. There's a woman walks in and she's staring at the picture of my kids jumping up and down on the bed, and she starts to cry. And I walk over to her, I go, what's going on? She goes, this is piercing my emotions. This is where I was 20 years ago with my children. So are these stories personal? They're totally personal, but they're for everybody.
We also created a restaurant. Everything here is house-made. We have a mussels and champagne dish that people absolutely love. We have a full bar. The Behave is a martini that we named after one of Victor's paintings. And so we came up with this pomegranate-based cocktail. We've become quite well known for our old fashions. So that's one of our best sellers, flaming the peel of the orange and kind of getting the whole essence of that. You can sit above the underground stream and have a cocktail as the water is just rushing beneath your feet.
The ABC book I made, Daddle Doodle, is unusual in that it was inspired by the dictionary. A is not for ant, A is for the apperceptive Achatina. B is not for bat, B is for the bifoliated bonito. And the making of the book became learning vocabulary and attaching it to visual ideas. When people come into the ABC room, they see all this work and you could see light bulbs going on in people's eyes. For me, art is making something you haven't seen before. If you take it to the next level, the imagery has a mystery to it that involves storytelling, and my storytelling is not going to be the storytelling of the viewer. So people are going to start to plug their own stories into my imagery.
The whole concept of Café Arielle at the Stabin Museum is to have a wonderful meal here, get a cocktail, and wander around the gallery as well. 3 best words to describe dining here: whimsical, satisfying, eye-opening.